everyone. This is Linda Drummond with Network in Action. And today I have the privilege of speaking with Nicole Johnson. Hello, Nicole.
Hello, Linda. How are you?
I'm great. How about yourself? You doing good?
I'm wonderful, wonderful. Yes, never better.
So, Nicole, let's tell everyone your company name and what it is that you do.
So, my company name is Royal Legacy Services, and what we do is we prepare tax services for personal and small businesses. And we also provide credit repair and credit building services.
Great. Now, Nicole, how did you get into this business?
Long story short, well, I have been diving into accounting since I was in high school. I had a teacher who saw something in me and just said, you would be great in this new program that we're launching at the school, which was accounting and finance and business. So it just kind of just started from there. So I've been doing accounting for over 30 years. And then about a little over 15 years ago, I decided to take a crack at doing my own taxes after just kind of paying attention when I would used to go to H&R Block. So I took a couple of certification classes. I started doing my own taxes. And then that kind of snowballed into family and friends. And then my family and friends encouraged me to start a business doing people's taxes. So that's pretty much how that got started. And almost 3 years ago, I took a couple of certification courses because I noticed that a lot of my tax clients were talking about their credit. So I added credit repair as an additional service almost 3 years ago.
Wonderful. So now that you've been doing this for a while, I suspect you probably have a success story you could share with us. Would you mind doing that?
Absolutely, absolutely. So I have a tax success story from a client of mine who they get bonuses, and I don't suggest this, but I do know that by law you can claim exempt for up to 6 months out of the tax year. So this particular client, they like to get all their bonuses because the bonuses are taxed at 40%. So they changed their filing status, but they forgot to change it back. So when it came time to file taxes, they owed almost $10,000. But they're not only a W-2 employee, but they also have a business, which I encourage people, if you can, to start a business, even if it's a side business, because it helps you with deductions and credits. So because they have their business, I was able to find like a ton of different things that can be written off under business expenses for them that help them lower the amount that they owed. They actually end up, after I was done with their business expense write-offs, they actually end up getting a refund of $1,000. So they went from owing 10,000 to getting a refund of 1,000. Yes. And I told them, I said, please mark your calendar, do not file exempt again, because they could have gotten a bigger refund, but because they didn't have any taxes coming out, they end up, owing. And then for credit repair, I have a client who they started in the high 400s, and they were in my program for about 10 months. And by the time that they were done at the end of the 10 months, they were in 740 was where their credit score I was able to get their credit score. And it's a partnership. So I work with them in removing negative items, but then I also had tasks that they had to complete as far as building their credit back up. So by them doing what I told them I needed them to do and me working to get the negative stuff off, in less than 12 months, we were able to get their score up almost 300 points.
Ah, that is wonderful. Congratulations. Definitely a success.
Thank you.
So, Nicole, how about letting us know what would you consider a good referral? Who do you want walking through that door?
A good referral for me on the tax side would be someone who has a home or a small business or dependents. One or the either of the if they fit into any of those categories, that would be a perfect referral for me on the tax preparation side. On the credit repair side, it would be someone who again owns a small business because there's a ton of different things that you can tap into when it comes to your business, but your personal credit needs to be intact as well. So someone who owns a business or someone who's looking to purchase a home, they either got married, they have some life changes, and now they want to start tapping into real estate or assets and so forth. But their personal credit is, not the greatest, but we can get them there so that they can be able to access whatever it is that they're trying to access.
Great, great. So now then, when you're not helping everyone raise their credit scores, take care of their taxes, what do you like to do for fun?
Oh, for fun. Well, I am actually I'm a very spiritual individual. I was raised up in a church setting, so I enjoy just reading my Bible. I got my closet customized, and in my closet, I have a prayer section. So I like to go in there and just dive into my journals and just kind of have some me time. And then aside from that, I really enjoy painting. I love abstract art. So I will put a canvas up on my easel in the garage, and I'll go with a color scheme, and I'll just get to, painting and so forth. I have maybe about 6 or 7 art pieces that I've painted that are hung up in my house right now.
Love it. That's great. And finally, Nicole, if someone needs your services or they know someone that needs your services, how can they reach you?
The best way to reach me would either be by calling my business phone number, or by sending me an email, or I also have a calendar link. My calendar link would probably be the best way, because in that way they can select a time and date that works for them, that's available on my calendar, and then we can have something scheduled. If it's not on the calendar, I feel like I don't remember it. So
Absolutely. Well, would
usually
you mind giving them that calendar link?
yes, I would provide the calendar link. I don't know the link address off the top of my head, but it is available on my profile in order to schedule a free tax or credit consultation with me.
All right. Well, I tell you what, Nicole, it's been a pleasure speaking with you. I wish you the best of luck and welcome to Network in Action.
Thank you so much, Linda. I'm so excited, and I feel very blessed and fortunate to be a part of NIA.
Great. Well, welcome aboard.
Thank you.